Basic terminologies related to radiation biology. Ionizing radiation. Radiation that has enough energy to remove electron from atom or a molecule. This can damage DNA and other cellular components leading to cell death or mutation. Non-ionizing radiation. Radiation that does not have enough energy to remove electrons from an atom or a molecule. This type of radiation, such as visible light and radio waves, is generally not considered to be harmful to cells. Absorb dose. The amount of radiation energy that is deposited in a unit mass of tissue. It is measured in unit of Gray. Equivalent dose. A measure of biological damage caused by radiation. It is calculated by multiplying the observed dose by a factor that takes into account the type of radiation and the tissue that is exposed. It is measured in units called sievert. Effective dose, a measure of total risk of cancer caused by radiation exposure. It is calculated by multiplying the equivalent dose by a factor that takes into account the sensitivities of different tissue to radiation. It is measured in unit of sieverts. Linear no threshold model, a model that assumes that any amount of radiation exposure, no matter how small, can it potentially cause cancer. Threshold model, a model that assumes that there is a threshold dose of radiation below which there is no risk of cancer. Repair, the process by which cells can repair damage to their DNA. Repopulation, the process by which cells can replace cells that have been damaged or killed by radiation. Stochastic effect, radiation effects that are random and cannot be predicted. These effects include cancer and genetic mutation. Deterministic effect, radiation effects that are not random and can be predicted. These effects include skin burn,